11 Survival Gadgets 2024 every man should have. Whether you're navigating the harsh Australian outback, trekking through dense forests, or exploring rugged mountain terrains, having the right gear is crucial. We've curated a list of 11 innovative, durable, and essential gadgets that are designed to keep you safe, comfortable, and ready for any challenge Mother Nature might throw your way. 1. Spica Strike Gaiters. If you find yourself in the unforgiving terrain of the Australian outback, or any outback for that matter, you'll want to be fully prepared for encounters with venomous snakes. The Spica Strike Gaiters are your ultimate line of defense against snake bites. These heavy-duty lower leg harnesses strap securely onto your boots, allowing you to move confidently through snake-infested areas without fear. Tested in some of the world's most densely populated snake regions, the Spica Strike Gaiters have proven their effectiveness, offering unmatched protection. Available in 3 sizes, these gaiters are not only functional but also easy to maintain. 2. Cranky Tree Steps. Climbing trees isn't just for kids. It's an essential skill for hunters, outdoor enthusiasts, and anyone who needs a higher vantage point. The Cranky Tree Steps from Cranky Hunting Gear are designed to make tree climbing safe, easy, and efficient. This 7-piece climbing kit includes solid-body aluminum steps that are incredibly durable and lightweight, each weighing less than 5 pounds. The steps are easy to insert into tree trunks using the included ratchet wrench tool, and they come with a convenient carry holster for easy transport. Whether you're setting up a hunting perch, scouting the terrain, or simply enjoying a panoramic view from the treetops, the Cranky Tree Steps provide a secure and stable platform. 3. Teton Sports Camp Pads. Roughing it in the wild doesn't have to mean sacrificing comfort. Teton Sports understands the importance of a good night's sleep, even when you're camping in the great outdoors. Their camp pads are designed to bring the comfort of home to your campsite, ensuring you wake up refreshed and ready for the day's adventures. These pads are made to fit perfectly on camp cots, but can also be used as insulated ground pads if you prefer sleeping closer to nature. Teton Sports Camp Pads provide the perfect balance of comfort. 4. Gexvio Emergency Kit. Survivalists, adventurers, and anyone who loves the thrill of the wild, listen up. The Gexvio Emergency Kit is your all-in-one solution for staying safe and prepared in any situation. This expansive, waterproof, and fireproof emergency kit is packed into a durable backpack, ready to face the most extreme conditions. Inside, you'll find everything you need to survive, from 5-year shelf-stable water and food bars to a blanket and rain poncho. The kit also includes KN95 masks, tissues, toothbrushes, a crank radio, and a solar-powered phone charger, ensuring you're prepared for any emergency. The first aid kit is equally comprehensive, with multiple bandages, dressings, medication, and wound care tools. 5. Goal Zero Skylight. When you're out in the wilderness, proper lighting is crucial, not just for visibility, but for safety and comfort. The Goal Zero Skylight is a portable area light that delivers an impressive 6,000 lumens of brightness, illuminating your surroundings up to 300 feet away. This isn't just any light. It's designed with 3,250K lights, which provide a warmer, more comfortable atmosphere compared to traditional harsh work lights. The skylight is also waterproof with an IPX4 rating, making it ideal for outdoor use in all weather conditions. Its internal battery can last up to 8 hours, but when connected to a Yeti power station, it can provide continuous illumination for over 370 hours. 6. Prepared For X Survival Torch. When you're deep in the wilderness, a reliable fire source can be a lifesaver. The Prepared For X Survival Torch is designed to meet this critical need with its innovative design and robust performance. This torch features a wax-infused hemp rope that can burn for over 3 hours, providing a long-lasting and consistent flame. The torch is weather-resistant, meaning it can be ignited even after being soaked in water or exposed to high winds. With thousands of single strikes available for ignition and complete control over flame size, the Prepared For X Survival Torch is an essential tool for any outdoor enthusiast. 7. Wayland Survival Axe. An axe is one of the most versatile tools you can carry in the wilderness, and the Wayland Survival Axe is engineered to be the ultimate all-purpose tool for outdoor survival. This axe is perfect for chopping wood, splitting logs, and even carving wood for shelter construction or other bushcraft tasks. The Wayland Survival Axe comes with a mold sheath, making it easy to attach to your backpack and carry with you on any adventure. Its durable design and sharp blade ensure that it can handle the toughest tasks, from preparing firewood to defending yourself in extreme situations. 8. Life Tent Survival Shelter. When you're caught in a sudden storm or unexpected cold snap in the wilderness, having an emergency shelter can be a lifesaver. The Life Tent Survival Shelter from Go Time Gear is a high-performance, two-person emergency tent designed to keep you dry, warm, and most importantly, alive. Made from puncture-resistant materials, this tent reflects 90% of your body heat, ensuring you stay warm even in freezing conditions. It also provides excellent protection from rain, wind, and snow, making it a reliable shelter in any weather. The Life Tent comes with a 120 decibel whistle that can be heard up to a mile away, helping rescuers locate you quickly. Compact, lightweight, and easy to set up, the Life Tent is an essential addition to any survival kit or outdoor gear collection. 9. Lifesaver. Every adventurer dreams of wielding a lightsaber, but while that remains in the realm of fiction, the Lifesaver offers the next best thing for wilderness survival. This multifunctional tool is packed with features that make it indispensable in the wild. It includes a USB power generator, a high-powered light and siren, a UV water purifier, and a plasma fire starter. The plasma starter can reach temperatures of up to 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit, making it incredibly effective for starting fires in any condition. The UV water purifier ensures that you can safely drink from natural water sources by killing harmful microorganisms. The power generator can be activated by simply twirling the Lifesaver like a jump rope, providing enough energy to charge your phone in 15 minutes. For a quicker charge, crank the saber for just 3 minutes. Compact, powerful, and versatile, the Lifesaver is a must-have for anyone serious about wilderness survival. 10. Exastat. When you're in the field and dealing with severe injuries, time is of the essence. The XStat is a revolutionary wound treatment tool designed to control hemorrhages quickly and effectively. Developed in conjunction with the U.S. military, this injectable device works by placing rapidly expanding sponges into a wound cavity using a syringe-like applicator. The sponges act as a barrier, absorbing the gushing blood and stabilizing the patient until they can receive further medical treatment. The XStat is available in 2 sizes: the XStat 30 for larger wounds and the XStat 12 for smaller injuries. 11. TIE FST. Starting a fire is one of the most basic and essential survival skills, and the TIE FST makes it easier and more reliable than ever. This self-contained fire-making kit is housed in a titanium billet stash tube that is both waterproof and corrosion-proof, ensuring your fire-making supplies stay dry and ready for use. Inside the tube, you'll find 4 strike-anywhere matches, a ferro rod, and a German barrel-style pencil sharpener for creating tinder shavings from wood. The tube also features a built-in compass, so you can always find your way. Manufactured from aerospace-grade G5 titanium with a fine matte finish, the TIE FST is not only functional, but also built to last. Whether you're in a survival situation or just enjoying a weekend camping trip, as you gear up for your next adventure, make sure these essential gadgets are in your pack. They'll not only enhance your experience, but also ensure you're prepared for whatever the wilderness throws your way. Stay safe, explore boldly, and make the most of every outdoor journey.